job, Gabby.
You did it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't wait to see the next one. Are you spelling?
Another one.
Oh, okay, do it. Wow. Whoa.
I did faster.
T.
Yay!
Good
I
job.
did, Mom and Daddy.
Yes, you did. Wow, you're so smart.
I did a big one.
That was a big word. You're right. Oh, here's another one.
A. L.
L. Can you say L?
P.
P.
E. N. P.
I
L.
did it, Mommy and Daddy.
Good job, Gabby.
Plane.
Do you like this?
Yeah.
This is pretty neat. Oh, I guess we have to buy it. Okay, say bye-bye, everyone. Say bye.
Bye, everyone.